Rear profile is looking damn gorgeous. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be about my FZ25 BS6 modifications that I've done, and it is very minor and simple modifications. It's not that too flashy or something that is like KTM Barbie kind of modifications or any stickering as of now. But ये वीडियो बस बहुत सिंपल एंड बेसिक मॉडिफिकेशंस शो करेगा जो मैंने किया है. तो let's not waste your time and go straight to the video and location so I can show you my bike. आप को like many people they like my bike the way it is, बहुत simple, and there's also performance modification that I've done. I don't want to call it like a huge performance modification, but it's still minor, but actually it's very good in the long term, for the long term. So that's all. Like I'll show you वो लोकेशन में पहुंच के मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. So just stay tuned and yep, वीडियो पे बने रहे. It's very sturdy as you can see here, and not just that, another thing is that कि ये काफ़ी मजबूत, and look at the tail that this has actually changed the complete look of this bike. Rear section से अगर मैं पीछे से आपको दिखाऊं, I haven't removed the tire huggers only reason because I don't want mud splashing. But Kolkata का weather is quite unpredictable. Sometimes it may rain, sometimes it may not. So उसी के लिए मैं उसको हटाया नहीं. सामने से अगर देखेंगे तो आपको दिखाई देगा that is the number plate relocator. ये पहले यहाँ पे होया करता था, and I've made this custom made from the Chain Gang Kolkata. ये बहुत strong है, trust me. If I pull this, ये bike पूरा move हो जाएगा. It's not gonna like move even an inch. So this is very sturdy. This cost me around 900 I think. On to the next one, that is the windshield. Windshield is the FZ S25 stock windshield. There's nothing, no changes, nothing. ये इसके साथ आपको ये मीटर कवर भी आपको लेना पड़ेगा. So these two things cost me around I think it was 250 or 300 together. On to the next one, that is the LED indicators, and ये आपको KTM inspired LED indicators है जो आप देख सकते हो, and it looks pretty good and decent. Yamaha का original मैं नहीं लगाना चाहता था. It's way too expensive. That was I think 3000 for 4, so it is expensive and unnecessary I guess. And और कुछ बच गया कि नहीं? Yes, LED indicators के बाद आता है my tinted front look. That is, you can see this one is tinted. So this is how my front profile is of this bike. उसके बाद हम आते हैं seats पे. Seat is double cushion and it's pretty comfortable, not just for me but also for the pillion. This cost me around 350 only. I'll share the guy who has done that, the number of that guy. And ये कोलकाता पे से आप कर सकते हो अगर सामने हो कोलकाता में, साउथ कोलकाता में. Coming to the main part, that is the noise free chain sprocket. This is, trust me, this is a very good product, and I think you guys should try this and see if you feel any difference. मेरे को ऐसे लगा कि bike is like much more smoother. There's no chain lag. Like कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि chain घिसने वाला है या something like that, but in this sprocket it's very nice. Like you will enjoy the smooth acceleration that you're getting from this. I'm using a Motul chain loop on this, so this is a very good combination. So that's all guys. और कुछ तो बाकी सब stock ही है. Crash guard is the Yamaha stock. So don't forget to subscribe guys, and that was pretty much it. This is my branding. There's nothing else. Everything in this bike is pretty much stock. So मैं आपको एक अच्छा से लुक दिखा दूँ इस बाइक का. This is how it's looking from the side view. साइड से ऐसा दिख रहा है. This is the front view, and my favorite one is now the rear one. Rear profile is looking damn gorgeous. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. One more thing I want to do is I want to try to tint this part of the tail, जैसे कि सिर्फ ये part दिखेगा. So let's see, I'll try to get that done, and I'll share it with you also. So that's all guys, see you again, and don't forget to subscribe. Adios.